All right, let's build a rain barrel together. My husband and I decided this morning real quick before it started to rain that we need to build something to catch our rainwater so that we can water our plants. We started with a large plastic garbage can and some screen fabric. We also got a drain pan fitting, a bushing, and a spigot. You can find the drain pan fitting by your water heaters at your local home improvement store. The drain pan fitting comes apart like this so that you're able to cut a hole in the bottom of the barrel and then be able to put the drain pan fitting in the bottom of the barrel. So here you see my husband cutting a hole in the barrel right now, and then we will go ahead and take the drain pan fitting and it will fit into that hole. While my husband was working on the spigot, I cut a hole in the top of the lid, and then I also cut my screen fabric that just covered the entire top of the garbage can. Then you're able to snap the lid over the top and it holds the screen right in place. Here you'll see that my husband has attached the bushing and then he is screwing in the spigot. My son climbed into the garbage can to help screw it in from the inside because our arms are kind of short. Now you'll see right here, we put it over by where the rain gutter comes off of the house. We shortened the rain gutter a little bit and attached this flexible tubing. The flexible tubing then goes into the hole at the top of the garbage can, and hopefully the water will fill it up when it rains. We made sure that the rain barrel set up off the ground a little bit so that we're able to stick a bucket or a watering can under the spigot so that we had enough space to get that under. This was a nice quick project for my husband and I. We probably had it completed in about 15 minutes after collecting our supplies.